Da i'n brobl. Codi ben, styried ergydio. Mae yn ergydio! Ar bel. Dros y bar, oddi ar flaen bysedd Harry Lloyd. McManus. Bas fach, tu mewn at Dan Williams. Williams. Can fod brobl ar ochr o cwrs Cosby. Brobl yn dawnsio tu mewn! A'i ergyd o, just heibio'r postyn. A dyna di'r agosa. Mae'r ymwelwyr wedi dod. Bounce stage di hwn. Yna Josh Daniels. Danny Davies. Codi ben ac yn codi bel i mewn i'r cwrt. A McManus sy'n canfod cefn y rhwyd. Ac am yr ail dymor o'r bron, mae Declan McManus wedi cyrraedd y garreg filltir o 30 gol mewn tymor. Seintiau Newydd wedi codi'r tempo sgorio. Brobl ar draws at Leo Smith. Smith yn ôl at Brobl! Symudiad hyfryd gan y pencampwyr. 2 gol mewn ychydig dros 2 funud. A mae'r gêm wedi cael ei gwedd newid yn sydyn. Mae'r Seintiau Newydd yn gyfforddus ar y blaen. Mae'n 2-0.
I think it's important just from the standards that we set and the standards that I've got and the club's got and the players have got, that, you know, we want to play well, win games, be relentless, put pressure on people. Whether it was a game of nothing, you know, Bala really probably didn't have much to play for. They can't get in the top 3 now. You know, we've won the league, but it's important that that's irrelevant. It really is. We need to turn up every performance and give everything we've got in possession, out possession, and make sure we work hard. It's just a non-negotiable from our side. And the lads were fantastic again today. You look at the attitude and the DNA and what we want to do and how we want to do it. And like I said, it could be quite easy to turn up and just go through the motions, but that's never ever going to happen on my watch.
We've played them 4 times now this season, and you know, every time we've been in the game, maybe one game here we win, but you know, the last game we played them at their place, and then again today, you know, it's nip and tuck, but like you say, they're relentless, and if you switch off for a second, you get punished, and that's what happened in the second half. We did really well first half, come out, 10-minute spell, 2 switch-offs, 2 goals. You know, coming back from 2 goals against them is a tough ask.
Ni gychwyn off bach yn slow, os ni dweud, ond na fel ar y rheolwr dweud, just bach o quality yn diwad bod y final pass, ond na, dwi'n meddwl ni rho perfformiad bach da erbyn diwad, a peth bwysig bod ni wedi ennill y gêm.